Okay, so I'm going to be removing my tail lights to change this bulb to one of these from Amazon. Come on, focus. Beautiful, beautiful bulb. So I already ripped off this piece right here. Very easy. I thought it was going to be harder than this. I was afraid to break it. You gotta basically snap it on there. We'll snap it off first. So let's do this side here. It's very easy. You don't even need, they say to use a screwdriver, but you could do it like this. Put your finger in there, just wedge it. Yeah, it's probably less painful if you use a screwdriver. It's kind of hard, but there it is. That's how it is. I gotta take the screwdriver. Let me see. Let's do this one first. Don't lose that shit, because if you lose it in that hole, you'll never find it. Well, it probably will come out the bottom, but I don't want to take a chance. Alright, so let's see now. Let's say it pulls out. I can't hold the phone and do this shit at the same time. Let me see. Alright, hold on a second. Let me see if I could point it here. Can this shit stay? Fuck. How the fuck can I record this shit? Have the phone stay in here. Fuck, I need two hands. I'm gonna pause it for now. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the inside of this. Hold on. So these two pins right here, so it pops straight out, basically. And there's the bulbs. Is the one with the yellow. So I will change the bulb now, and I'll test original versus LED. I'm gonna pause again. Okay guys, here's the original bulb. The original one right here. And here's this one. I know it's not nighttime, but it's about twice as bright. So that's it. That was easy. Gonna put the screws back on, and that's it. Any questions? Let me know.